Hello everyone, my name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. And now, today I'm going to show how to use this fancy style font in Canva without any premium account. You can use this kind of fonts and type whatever you want in this type of presentation or any poster which you are making on Canva. So without wasting time, let's get into this video and start making presentation. So first of all, jump to the Canva homepage and here you can see there are certain options which you can choose from. And in this one, we will go to more options and here we will see apps section. So we can click on this app section and here you can see multiple options which we can use from. So in this one, to get a fancy fonts, we will be typing Font Studio. And here you can see that we found Font Studio Advanced Text Effect Studio. We will click on this and now you will see that we have two options, one to use it in existing design and one to use it in a new design. So I'll just click this one and let us say I wanted to make a presentation or a logo. So I'll click on this logo and it will give me an option on the left hand side for the font studio. And here you can see that these are the font styles which you can use uh, in your poster or presentation, whichever you are making. So for the meantime, let us use this one. And if I type here, happy, happy hours. So this is the font preview over here. And if I click on add to design, it will be visible over here in the canvas. And in the same way, if we go back and if I select this one and I write amazing. And if I click on add to design, this will give me an fancy font in a different style, which we cannot see in the Canva default fonts. So in this way, we can use a multiple fonts like this. Here I have used several fonts which are freely available on this particular app section, and you can use this to impress your audience. So that's all from this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.